So this one's going to get this quarter panel put back on and get it welded on. I have a Hyundai Elantra here. This one has a bunch of quarter panel damage all throughout this area, and it rolled in the wheelhouse right in this area and up inside of here, which I will repair. So this one's going to get a new quarter panel. However, first I'm going to make a couple pulls, work this back out and into shape, and then I'll go ahead and get this panel cut off and start fitting up the new one. Now I have this quarter panel sitting on here, and it's overlapping the existing panel by about an inch or so. I'm going to scribe this. At all three of the seams, and that'll give me, then I'll take this back off and trim those last little sections out, and that'll give me a perfect seam at each of the cuts. So I have this one all fit together. My door gap is nice and even. The tail light fits nicely. And my gaps at the back are nice and even. So this quarter panel is ready to go on permanently now. I'm going to take this one back apart, lift the quarter panel back off because there's some adhesive that has to go inside of there before I start welding. Then I will get this quarter panel put back on and get it welded on. So to make sure I get this quarter panel sitting in the exact same spot that I had it, I put some 1/8" little holes at the corners going all the way around. And I'll run sheet metal screws in those, and that'll make sure it's sitting exactly where I had it.